Welcome back to Mac's Opinion, the only channel where bad drivers get dragged into the daylight and exposed for the hazards they really are. Forget the government spin, forget the polite Canadian nod. We're talking raw dashcam chaos straight off our highways. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear proves one thing. Too many people behind the wheel in this country have no business holding a license. Oh, all right. These aren't nail-biting on the edge of your seat kind of dashcam videos. This is my own personal collection of dashcam videos from my own dashcam over the past year or so. This video isn't going to be your typical political-driven video. Oh no, just a compilation of ignorant drivers who really shouldn't be behind the wheel. I still hope you enjoy this one, even though it's a bit off the usual videos I post here. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel also. Now let's take a little detour from our usual political and immigrant-related material and watch some idiot drivers, shall we? Driver pulls out in front of me, then crawls along like it's Sunday sightseeing. Slower, faster, slower, faster. I was maybe 5 to 10 clicks above, but there were no cars behind me. They chose to pull out in front anyway. If they'd matched my speed, fine, but they dropped 40 clicks below the limit at times. Pure incompetence. Some genius tried to cross the road to reach a car parked dangerously on the corner. No hazards on, no pulling off properly. They were about to bolt across until they heard my brakes lock up. This is how people end up under bumpers. Idiot pulls into traffic on a blind hill. I'm surprised there aren't more T-bones here.
Fucking Christ, man.
Another hero pulls out in front, then goes 10 to 20 clicks under the limit. Rush hour traffic, about 40 cars stacked up behind us. If you can't keep pace, pull aside and let traffic flow.
Is it a pedal car?
Same hot spot, same story. No cars behind me, but they risk it anyway. My 88 clicks dropped to 60. I always brace for stupidity here. Someone actually stops inside a traffic circle? Do they not teach the basics anymore?
What is he doing?
What are you doing?
You don't stop in a traffic circle.
Famous.
Double clip madness.
What are you doing?
First, the car yanks out in front, cutting us from 84 down to 30. Seconds later, spike strip roadblock ahead. Cops were right there, but I guess they had bigger fish to fry. Post an officer here full time and they'd make quota in a single morning.
There he is.
Cops. Go.
Oh, they're gonna trip.
An SUV thinks crossing a yellow median to pass a truck makes sense. Spoiler, it doesn't. Times like this, I wish I had a big red button to launch these clowns into orbit. And speaking of smashing buttons, smash that like button, subscribe, and keep me fueled to bring you more madness. The classic. Hogging the passing lane at 10 to 15 under. It's the definition of highway rage bait.
Get the f off the fucking passing lane. Get the f over there, man! Get the f off the road!
Credit where it's due. I spotted it, I avoided it, kept everyone safe. Passive driving keeps lives intact. If more people drove like that, our roads wouldn't look like demolition derbies. Since when did signals become optional?
When you can get 50 gigs of data for $44 per month when you bring your own phone. obvious choice for affordable phone plans is Impatient Plus. Obviously, plan available on 4G speeds. Conditions apply.
That's fucking signal, you fucking idiot.
Truck driver pulls out, drops everyone by 20 clicks. Pure douchebag mode. Douchebag! Yet another traffic circle fail, added to the pile.
Wow, just fucking wow. Asshole.
Usual danger zone again. Another car yanks out. I slam the brakes. 20 clicks, gone. Impatient clown passes on the fog line at an intersection. Trailer nearly clips my car. Back in the 80s, I saw a guy get nailed by a van for this exact stunt. You'd think people would learn. Drop 30 clicks to dodge another driver who forgot mirrors exist.
Fucking idiot. Jesus Christ. I think he's trying to get hit.
At least I'm not the only one getting cut off. Misery loves company.
Really? Oh my God. He knows he made a mistake. Big famous.
New spot this time. Driver pulls out, I break down 20 clicks. Merging without signals. On a merge when everyone's watching oncoming traffic, you think maybe letting people know where you're headed matters? Apparently not.
Which way are you fucking going? Oh my God!
Another impatient pull out, slam 30 clicks. Again, no cars behind me. Why risk it? To go nowhere faster?
What the fuck is wrong with you? Not a goddamn car behind me. Fucking stupid. Pull out. That fucking stupid fucking people, man.
One of my biggest peeves. Drivers swerving over the center line into oncoming traffic to go around obstacles on their side. That's not problem solving. That's suicide.
Fucking bitch.
Idiot parked dead center in the road. I nearly took
Get
off
off the
their
fucking
bumper.
road!
Who's giving these people licenses?
Fucking idiot.
Another traffic circle masterclass in failure. And another one, because one wasn't enough. Same danger zone again. Now picture if one of those fog line passers had clipped a biker here. Recipe for disaster.
What the fuck do you think you were?
Drunk driver vibes.
There's nothing. The Reynolds men won't allow them.
Dropped from 80 plus down to 20. No cars behind me. People who can't wait 2 seconds end up with 0 seconds left.
Jesus fucking Christ, man.
Truck pulls onto the highway. I was turning off anyway, but if I hadn't been, this would have been a mess.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Another driver pulling into traffic as I was exiting, oblivious.
Jesus Christ! Fucking idiot!
Pulls out, changes direction midway, like they're freestyling. Going nowhere, fast.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me?
If you don't see the problem here, you're part of it.
Wow. Just fucking wow.
Roundabout again. Mirrors and signals exist for a reason, but clearly nobody teaches them anymore.
Jesus fucking Christ.
On-ramp stupidity. Instead of accelerating to match highway speed, they brake at the end of the ramp. No traffic even there. Why? Who knows?
Jesus fucking people, man.
That's the highlight reel, straight off my dash cam. Canada's highways on display, and it's ugly. Our roads are a circus of incompetence, impatience, and zero accountability. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, or better yet, share your own road rage stories. Have you had close calls with drivers like these? I want to hear them. And while you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe to Mac's Opinion, and help me keep exposing the daily madness. Until next time, drive safe out there. Cheers!